Well, this is going to be a good time. The holiday season is an especially favored time for the tamales. Chef Martin Lopez is in the Great Day Kitchen right now with a whole gaggle of children, our executive producer's children to be exact. Raise your hand when I call your name. Sophie, present. Lizzie, present. Allie, Shorty, present. Chef Martin,
right here.
Present. All right, let's get this tamale party started. You're right. We're just Chef Martin and I are going to take off.
Yeah.
Got this.
Well, you know what? They've been making tamales all morning, and everyone's like been hanging out. So I'm loving it. It reminds me of when I was a kid, right?
I bet it does.
Yeah, because tamales is like the perfect time to make amazing food. It brings the kids together, the family together. Yeah. So that's why they're so popular in Mexico during the holidays. But and you know the ingredients are really simple.
Super simple.
And we're sharing the recipe with everybody, so all they have to do is just go to the website and the recipe will be there.
KMOV.com/greatday. It'll be there.
Exactly.
So they're already spooning it on here.
All they doing is just putting it out, a little bit of the masa.
The masa
And the
flour.
masa we have, you can do them with shortening or you can do them with lard. It's up to you.
I'm
you
a
can
fan
go
of
vegan.
both. Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
At least if you can. Yeah, I do like. I do like lard. I try not kind of watch it, but it's what gives a lot of that flavor.
It does.
Then same with the meat. You can do roasted vegetables if you want to go the vegan version, or you can do pork. You can do chicken. You can do all.
That's the beauty of it, is that you can go 100 different directions.
Exactly.
And you can serve the whole variety. Yeah.
Don't lick it.
No, I'm saying, can you do
It takes a village, friends. It takes a village.
Yeah, and then so what we're gonna do, we spread some of the masa on the corn husk a little bit.
Where can you buy the corn husks, by the way?
Corn husk is becoming pretty popular. It's actually, you can find it in a lot of the specialty stores and the Mexican grocery stores as well.
Gotcha.
So then what you do, you spread some of the masa, and again, the recipe is going to be on the website.
Yep.
So we're going to put some of the chicken,
Little chicken
pork,
that you've
or
grilled up
vegetables,
already,
whatever you
yeah.
want.
Yeah.
And then you can do a little bit of the salsa or mole.
And is it whatever protein you pick or your veggies, or those are going to be grilled up ahead of time, right?
Right. Everything has to be cooked before you actually assemble the tamale.
Got it.
So there are 4 different components, and this is some that I talk about in the recipe. It's the corn husk, the masa, the protein, and the salsa.
Got it.
Those 4 needs to be done before we assemble the tamales. And then when you're done, guess what? This is how they're going to come
What do
out.
you got? You're just kind of steaming them in there?
You're
What
going
are
to
you
steam
doing?
them up and see how I have them here. They're coming out, and they're nice and warm.
Look at that.
So what I do is, you want to hand me that one right there, love? Perfect. And you can eat it straight out of the corn husk, or we can even go a little bit farther.
Look at it just release so nicely.
Right?
Oh my.
You want to put a little bit of that crema and cheese on top of that?
Here, you want to drizzle?
Yeah, drizzle some of that right over the top of it. Just like pizza.
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm sure your mom is going to be very proud right now. She's going to join us in a second.
If you really want the lard to come through, make sure you put a whole bunch of sour cream on
Yes,
top. That's
and then
the
extra
key.
cheese.
Yeah, you and I make a lot alike, Chef.
Yes.
Now here's, my father-in-law will make these in big batches, and then he'll freeze them.
Yes.
They freeze up really, really well.
Yeah,
And then
they
you
do.
stick them in the microwave under like a moist paper towel or something so they don't dry out too much. And they're like, you made them yesterday.
They microwave greatly.
Look
So
at
Matt,
that.
you want to do the honors?
Well, you got to taste it.
Yeah, we got.
Wait a minute, why is everybody all of a sudden like, well, I don't know
Oh,
about
gladly
this.
tasty.
Look, I mean, everybody's volunteering. I mean, go ahead. What do you think?
I like
gotta
that you
be
took
hot,
a
be
small,
careful.
dainty TV bite. Good job. Nice. Nicely done. Is it a little hot? Is it warm? It's okay.
a
Just
little
face the
water?
camera while you're in agony, would you? That'd really help us out. Maybe a smaller bite and blow on it a little.
Yeah, exactly.
But was it good?
What do you think?
He's like,
Is it gonna be spicy?
I'm not going to taste anything for a month.
Is it hot?
Is it
Not too
good?
bad. Is it good?
Well, see, you
Good.
went all in.
What about
That was
you?
the thing. One more bite. Oh my gosh. It really does look good. And you girls went with the chicken option, right?
Yeah, I think that's what they did.
Now, see, did you see
That's
that?
so
That
good?
was pretty
Yes.
well done. I hate to heap praise on her.
Perfectly executed, right,
I
Matt?
know. Well done. God,
That's right.
Thank you. Yeah.
I had a clean cut.
That's true. That is a very solid cut and a nice big bite. Again, you can find more of Chef Martin's recipes on his Instagram account and his Twitter and his Facebook pages. Just search the username Chef Martin Lopez. And we're going to post this recipe and some of the tips that Chef Martin mentioned on our website, KMOV.com/greatday. I've lost all control, Kay.
If you think it's bad now, wait till our kids
Yeah.
get in the next segment. You
That's
think that
coming
was
up.
out of control?
Happy New Year,
This was the
everyone.
warm-up.
Everything
This
is
was
swirling down the tube as we speak. That looks good, though. And I know those Dueñas kids know a thing or two about tamales, too.
Tamales.
Reminds me of Saturday afternoons with my mom. My mom used to make great tamales on
You
Saturdays.
see, it's all about memories.
It is.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Good job, girls.